Parts list. The WS0206 rain gauge consists of the following parts: display console, USB cable for display console, manual, detachable metal bird spikes, remote thermal hygrometer sensor, two screws for attachment, outdoor rain gauge, need two AAA batteries and two AA batteries not included. Use your thumb and index finger to press the small button on the underside of the base to separate the base from the upper cover. Push the battery box cover away in the direction of the arrow. Insert two AA new batteries in the battery compartment. The rain gauge sensor LED indicator will light for 3 seconds, and then flash once per 60 seconds thereafter. Close the battery drawer. Align the convex points on both sides of the upper cover, with the holes on the bottom cover. Press down to install the upper cover into the bottom seat. Locate the battery drawer on the back of the thermal hygrometer sensor. Push downwards along the arrow direction and open the battery compartment. Before installing the batteries, locate the dip switches on the inside cover of the lid of the transmitter. All 4 switches in the off position factory default setting. Insert 2 AAA batteries. After installing the batteries, the remote sensor LED indicator will light for 4 seconds. Close the battery drawer. Plug in the display console with power adapter. Do not press any menu buttons until the outside transmitters report in. Otherwise, the outdoor sensor search mode will be terminated. Sensor search mode dashes will be displayed on the screen. Once the signal is acquired, the remote search icon will turn off and the current value will be displayed. In normal display mode, hold the set key for 3 seconds. To enter the set mode, the first setting will begin flashing. Press the channel, plus or history to change or scroll the value. Select either 12-hour or 24-hour time display default, 12H. Press the set key again to set the hour. Press the channel, plus or history to adjust the hour up or down. Press the set key again to set the minutes. Press the channel, plus or history to adjust the minute up or down. Press the set key again to set the order of how the day and month are displayed. Press the channel, plus or history to adjust the DDMM or MMDD. Press the set key again to set the month. Press the channel, plus or history to adjust the month up or down. Press the set key again to set the day. Press the channel, plus or history to adjust the day up or down. Press the set key again to set the year. Press the channel, plus or history to adjust the year up or down. Press the set key again to set the max minute clearing mode CLR. Press the channel, plus or history to switch between on or off. Press the set key again to change the temperature units of measure. Press the channel, plus or history, to switch between the F or C. Press the set key again to change the rainfall units of measure. Press the channel, plus or history, to switch between more inch. Press the set key again to normal display mode. In normal display mode, press the set key once to enter the change display mode. Press the channel, plus or history, to toggle between day or year. Press the set key again to change the display temperature or dew point. Press the channel, plus or history, to switch between display temperature or dew point. Press the set key again to change the rainfall display. Press the channel, plus or history, to switch between display 1H, 24H, week, month, and total. Press the set key again to change the 24H, 70H graph record. Press the channel, plus or history, to switch between 24H or 70H. Press the set key again to normal display mode. Press and hold the snooze light button for 3 seconds. When light off will appear on the display, the backlight will turn off. When the backlight is off, press the snooze light button once. The backlight will turn on for 5 seconds. Hold the snooze light button for 3 seconds, and light on will appear on the display. The backlight will turn on permanently when using the adapter.